Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Siti Nur Raihan binti Omar with the ID number AM190500570. So today the reason why I do the presentation is because I want to present about the event that I do for the subject Building Social and Business Network with the code subject BUS 401, which I am in section 2. As what you can see in the left side of my slide is there is a logo of my business, which is Tahu Bergedil Melting. So my business, the business that I do is Tahu Bergedil, which is, as you know, that Tahu Bergedil is contain meat or chicken, um, and obviously it is have tofu in there and potato. So my product that I sell in the event is tahu bergedil and popia bergedil, which is both of them have the flavor of chicken flavor and beef flavor. So the date of the event is 30th September 2020, and the venue for my event for that event is which is live streaming in Instagram. So that is the picture of my product, which is in the left side is popiang bergedil and for the right side is tahu bergedil. So before the event happen, how I inform people that I conduct the event. So I informing others about my event. Uh, the event that I do is a grouping event, which is I do with my fellow friends, and we create the logo of the event, the poster of the event, and of course the invitation of the event. So the name of our event is Zero Corona Fest, which is, as you know, that this year we have a pandemic, which is coronavirus have spreading in the world. So the reason why we do the live session for our event is to prevent the contact with each other. So that is why our the name of our event is Zero Corona Fest, which is the festival that have zero corona. So here are the poster, the logo, and the invitation card. So about the event, uh, what is the social media that I use to inform the people about the event? So there are three social media that I use to promote or to inform others about my event and my friend's event, which is it is Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. For Facebook, I just post the logo and the poster of the event and the invitation card of the event at my status, which is at the status Facebook and my Facebook page, and also my personal Facebook. So for Instagram, it's similar as the Facebook. So I just post it on my story IG, story Instagram, my personal IG, and also my business IG. And for WhatsApp, I just send and forward the picture, the poster, the logo, and the invitation card to my group, to the group WhatsApp that I have in my personal WhatsApp. So that is how I use. That is the social media and how I inform the people about the event. So the proof of the event is, as you can see, this is my picture, the screenshot of me giving the live to others. the picture of me giving live session in my IG Tahu Bergedil Mokting. So that is the link of that. That is the link of that live session. So the next slide is how do people enjoy my product? Do they come to my event? So obviously they do come to my event, and as you can see, all of the picture that I paste here is few of my network, which is they have been buy from me, not only not only first buying, they buy from me for the second time and the third time. So as you can see in the middle, we have the feedback, which is they send it back to me how my tahu bergedil tastes and how my popiah bergedil tastes like. So alhamdulillah, they like it so much and they repeat the order. So for the conclusion, what can I get from the event? There are three main points that I get from the event, which is firstly, it increased my sale. So as you know that in the middle of my business, my sale have dropped a bit, but after I do the live session or after we do the event, my sale increased a little bit as my network see the live session and they WhatsApp me, they want my product. So for the second point is the number of network increase. So if the sale increase, so the number of network will increase too, because what can I get from the sale is network. So my network increase my sale, so that the number of network also increased. So for the third point, which is the last point, is being able to communicate to my network. So during the live session, I am able to communicate with my network, and they just uh, commenting on my live session, and I reply it verbally, which is I can directly spoke to them. So I think that's all from me for that event, which is the Zero Corona Fest. As for my business, Tahu Bergedil Mokting Bergedelicious. So thank you. Assalamualaikum.